Daddy Jack's Code with the Blues here. So we're gonna do a keto chicken Parmesan. We did a keto. We did a steak pizziola last couple weeks ago. So and a lot of people really responded to the keto. I'm trying to do. I'm on low carb. I can't say I'm 100% keto, but I'm definitely feeling better, a little bit more energy, and I highly recommend it. So what I do is I put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter on each one. So this is going to be the basis of it right here. Okay, we're going to get this going real good. A little bit of garlic, fresh garlic. Rub the garlic down, spread it out so you don't burn as easily. Okay. Now put a little bit of salt and pepper. And you know, I love fresh garlic, and I love a little bit of garlic powder, granulated garlic. Okay, underneath the broiler for a little bit, and get them nice and toasted up. Nice sliced local tomatoes, right off the farms. Get it while you can. Alrighty, we got the tomatoes for that keto chicken parm. Had them up under the broiler. I'm not going to cook the other side. I want to cook them real well done. Put it back up under the broiler. All right. Hey guys, Go with the Blues here. Carl Franklin in the house.
How you doing?
So the Keto guru, man. He's my go-to guru, and I called him today. I said, you know, I want to do a couple more keto recipes, and I want to do a keto chicken Parmesan. I said, was it all right to use cornstarch? He said, no. So, but what do we have here, Carl?
So this is a breading that's made with crushed pork rinds and Monterey Jack cheese, and it's all blended up together with spices. And I use the spice profile from, you know, your classic Southern fried chicken. But there's no flour, there's no cornstarch, no nothing in there.
Yeah.
So you're just going to do an egg wash, put it in that, and fry it like you normally
do. So here we go. Get rid of this flour, man. We don't need that around when we're doing keto.
Yeah, I'll do.
And then, got the chicken breast. And what I do with that salt and pepper? You got salt and pepper over there, Metal? What did I do with it? Oh, here we go. All right. Because it's kind of already salty, right?
It is, yeah, it is salty.
So I just don't add too much.
No.
Boom. So then in the egg wash. That's just straight egg, scrambled egg, no seasonings. That's how we're going to do that. And then get that baby stoked up. While that's heating up, I'm going to go wash up my mix.
Got butter, the secret weapon.
That's right.
Butter makes everything better.
You know, it's good because we got the egg on there too, so even though it's not totally coated, we want to make sure that's got a good amount of heat in that skillet, otherwise it's going to stick.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to put a few on there.
The crushed jack cheese is going to melt and help it all stick together as well.
Yeah.
Jack because it's not too tart, too pungent.
Yep.
It's got a nice mild cheese in it.
You got a little curry or something in there?
No,
kind of
that's all just chicken seasoning.
Oh,
You know?
wow.
Like you get it in Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, there's sage, and there's white pepper, and there's I can't remember what else.
Yeah.
Well, 11 herbs and spices.
We'll have to call the Colonel to find that out.
12 Colonel, yeah.
Yeah, we want to get it nice. We don't want to be turning this over too many times, so we're going to get a nice, make sure we got it cooked well on the outside.
Yes, sir.
Then here we have our tomatoes that had under the broiler. Sure what we're going to do with those in a minute. See, I'm even going to put a few underneath. Okay. That's it. If I had my American cheese handy, I'd be slapping some of that on there too. But hey, we're going top shelf. See, while I'm adding the cheese on, I let that bottom cook real good.
Yeah. Sorry,
Hey. So what's happening, Fritz?
Cooking with Daddy Jack.
That's it, baby. I'll tell you what I want to do, though. I want to take this extra grease out of here.
Right.
Okay? 'Cause I want this,
Don't want fire.
I want that good time sauce on there. And then,
Namesake.
a little Parmesan. Right under the broiler.
That's gonna be so good.
Fritz, you want to be the test pilot?
I would love to.
Grab a knife and fork.
What is it you're cooking up there, Jeff?
Carl's. This is gonna be Carl's Keto Chicken Parmesan.
Keto.
Breaded with pork rinds.
Two keto dudes. He started a podcast, and he's at a Keto Fest here in London. So
Wow.
third year we just finished.
Wow.
So I'm a big guy, but I was 80 pounds bigger, and I had diabetes.
Nah, I remember you telling me the story, yeah.
Yeah, so it's all gone now.
The diabetes.
Well, not all the way, but
Okay.
certainly the diabetes is gone.
Grab your weapons, man.
Metabolically healthy.
Grab a couple sets of weapons. You got knives, you got forks.
Alright.
I think forks are right here.
Forks right here, that green basket, right next to you. You got it right.
Got it, thank you. Work.
Hurry, hurry, call the police. Hurry, hurry.
Alright.
That's my dad, man. He loved that song. All right, come on in here.
I came in here just at the right time.
Hey, that's my neighbor across the street, Fritz, and his beautiful wife Katya, and he just had a beautiful baby, Arden. So precious, 6 months old now.
7.
7, yeah.
Yeah.
And they're a photographer with his wife is a professor up in Massachusetts, and Fritz is a photographer. Had a lot of stuff with a lot of work with National Geographic, and traveled China. Lived in China for how many years?
That's my, China's my specialty.
Yeah.
I was in China for 13 years.
I bet you don't have Kung Pao chicken over there, man. It's American.
I always avoid that.
That's right.
Kung Pao cheese, I
Eat the real stuff, man. Huh?
focus on shit.
啊？
我不想吃宫保鸡，但是我爱中国中国。
Well, you know what we got going on here, Fritz?
What's that?
A little chicken parmesan, keto chicken parm.
Keto.
Now
I
look.
mean, you have to be on a keto diet. to eat
No,
this,
no, but you know what? When you do eat it, you're going to want to be on it from then on.
Well, what is it?
That's just no flour, no gluten.
So the breading is made with crushed pork rinds.
I don't understand it. I don't understand the keto diet, but
It's low carbs, no carbs. hardly.
Anything delicious, that's keto.
Dig in, see what you think.
okay. All right.
Carl, you got your weapons? Need a fork?
There we
It's
go.
going to be super hot, man. So
I guess.
hotter than that pizza you're going to be making later.
Yeah. Wow.
Carl?
What do you think?
That's good.
Dig in here.
So,
Good cook on that.
oh man,
Huh?
that's good.
Really
good.
good.
It's all about, go ahead, get in on the second one. No, you want to.
I do.
That cheese.
It's all about like, you know, we could have just put some tomatoes over the top, but by roasting them,
Yeah.
and you get that concentration of flavor.
Oh yeah.
And it's done nicely. You know, it's nice and
Excellent.
brown. You know, you got that it's browned really nicely.
Wow.
What do you think, Carl?
Usually I make a marinara and I put butter in it, which essentially gives you more fat and less carbohydrates. Also makes it a lot tastier.
What, with our marinara?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is that? Is that the key here? You put the butter in?
Probably less carbs.
He didn't do that here. He just had
I roasted them fresh.
roasted tomatoes, which
Oh, yeah.
is a great approach.
Yeah. Well, that's what we do. We got all those tomatoes. We've been roasting them. And
Yeah.
nice, nice.
Yeah, very good.
Those pork rinds make a nice crust.
You can get that product at Amazon, pork panko. They make it comes in a bag already crushed, or you can just put them in a food processor as well.
Yep. Now you guys go with the blues, and I think we got another good keto recipe here. And got good response on the first keto recipe we did. The steak pizziola, keto steak pizziola. And stay on it. I'm going to try to stay on it and try to drop some pounds and get, already starting to feel better. One step at a time. Right, Carl?
You got it. One day at a time.
All right.
Awesome.
Fritz,
All right, Dad.
thanks for coming down.
Thank you.
Yeah. Glenn Peltier on camera. Beautiful Paul Orsini Peltier, his wife with Orsini Sausage Company. That's keto friendly.
Absolutely.
Order some up for the holidays coming up. Before you know it, be honest, and stock your freezer with it. That guys go to the blues. Beautiful downtown to London. Peace.